If you've ever wanted to keep your Telegram group as private as possible and wondered, is there a way to hide all group members from each other? You're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll understand what's realistically possible with Telegram, and you'll know exactly how to maximize privacy for your group or channel, even if complete invisibility isn't an option. Let's get right to it. First, it's really important to understand a core principle. In a standard Telegram group, member privacy has some built-in limits. Telegram designed groups so everyone can see who's in the conversation, just like in a group chat at work or school where you know who your teammates are. There's no official way to completely hide the list of members in a regular group from each other. If you're hoping to make your member list invisible, it's simply not how groups are meant to work. But don't worry, there are asterisk ways to keep things as private as possible, and that's what I want to show you. The most effective method is actually to rethink how you use Telegram and switch from a group to a Telegram channel. Here, why channels are perfect for privacy. In a channel, subscribers can't see who else is subscribed, only the total number of members is visible. It's kind of like following a celebrity on Instagram. You know how many fans there are, but you don't get to peek at a list of everyone else following the page. Only the channel's owner and admins can see the full list of subscribers, so unless you're an admin, you're completely anonymous among everyone else. If you still want group members to chat and discuss things, you can link a separate discussion group to your channel. The main channel remains private, while the linked group gives people a place to interact. That way, you get the best of both worlds, maximum possible privacy in the channel and an optional chat space for interaction. Now, let's say you really must use a Telegram group. Maybe you need two-way conversations among everyone, not just one-way announcements. Are there any tricks to boost privacy? The honest answer is the options are limited, but I'll share a few practical workarounds. There's one technical trick. You can make every group member into an admin. This lets people post messages anonymously. When they send a message, their name won't appear next to it. But here's the catch. All admins have control over the group settings, which can lead to chaos if you're not seriously careful. This method only works for very small, trusted circles where everyone is on the same page. For most large groups, it's just not a safe strategy. A more manageable option is to encourage your members to customize their privacy settings. Remind everyone they can hide their phone numbers from strangers. To do this, each person should open their Telegram app, go to Settings, tap on Privacy and Security, then select Phone Number. They can change this setting to Nobody, or if they feel comfortable, My Contacts. This means nobody outside their contact list, or nobody at all, can see their phone number in the group. It's not perfect because usernames and profile photos will still be visible, but it does add an important extra layer of privacy. Remember, Telegram gives users quite a bit of control, but its design is all about balancing privacy with group functionality. If you need everyone to be anonymous or want a true broadcast-only space, always go for a channel instead of a group. Alright, that's a wrap for today. If this was helpful and you'd like more practical tips for using Telegram, go ahead and hit that like button, drop your questions or tips in the comments. I love hearing from you, and be sure to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this. See you in the next video.